The Joey Zero electric access vehicle is a compact and flexible solution for those looking to replace ladders and improve productivity in warehouse, retail, and other industrial and commercial operations. The agile Joey Zero can help workers do a wide range of elevated work safely, including order picking, stocking, inventory management, or tasks associated with maintenance, manufacturing, or assembly operations. With a maximum operator platform height of 118 inches and a total vehicle capacity of 750 pounds, the Joey Zero packs a great deal of capability into a small vehicle footprint. The Joey Zero's large, fully enclosed operator's compartment has steel railings on each side with automatically locking rear gates. Its low 11-inch step height makes entry and exit easy from the rear of the vehicle, which is very helpful in tight aisles. Operator presence sensors on board include a foot switch and right-hand sensor to reduce the chance of unintended motion while in use. Ergonomic and logically orientated controls provide for simple, intuitive, and accurate operation. Steering is performed by turning the left-hand mini steering wheel while the right hand operates the proportional forward and reverse travel throttle, with fingertip lift and lower buttons for the operator's platform, powered low tray, and horn. An emergency power disconnect can be activated to shut down the vehicle quickly if needed and can be reset with a simple twist. For commercial environments where the Joey Zero may commonly be used, obstruction presence sensors are located below the operator compartment, which can prevent the operator platform from lowering. A forward-facing blue light is also provided, which can alert pedestrians of an approaching vehicle. The sturdy mast on the Zero includes dual lifting chains and steel I-beam channel to ensure solid stability at the maximum lift height of 118 inches. In front of the operator, a 200-pound capacity powered load tray allows operators to index layers of product up to a comfortable working position to reduce fatigue, improve carrying volume, and maximize forward visibility. On the vehicle chassis, an additional 250 pounds of goods or materials can be placed for transportation. The permanent magnet DC drive motor of the Zero delivers up to 4 hours of continuous operation on a single charge through a Zappi 24-volt infinitely variable travel controller. Power is provided by two 12-volt 120-amp-hour AGM maintenance-free batteries and an integral 110 VAC plug-in smart charger that connects to a standard wall outlet. Designed for operator comfort, accurate steering, and easy-to-learn controls, why not replace ladders in your facility with a safer, more productive alternative? Contact your Big Joe dealer today for more information or to schedule a demo at your facility. The Joey Zero from Big Joe. Hundreds of uses, zero excuses.